Hi, this is Adyasha. Lately, I've been getting this thought, and I thought I'll share it with you. I have been feeling that in today's world, we are losing spaces for children. By that, I mean a lack of safe spaces for children to play in, to interact, to build community. Now, I don't mean the spaces like paid. Spaces where they go to play or even just parks. When we were growing up, there were a lot of spaces within a colony, within a community, a lot of open spaces where children could play badminton, cricket, football, and many other games and safely go straight back home because it was right there. Uh, Parents used to also encourage children to go out and play because, of course, it used to be probably safer back then. But also, children were encouraged to go out and bond with each other in physical spaces which used to exist. Now, I feel there is a huge lack, especially in cities, of spaces like that. Now, in some gated communities like apartments, there are those spaces, but I'm talking in general in towns and cities, those spaces are fast shrinking. Also, this obsession with Korean culture that kids nowadays are having could also reflect a lack of priority for that kind of regional interest in children's spaces, children's content, and overall a culture which is more conscious of children's needs. Earlier, we used to have even in Hindi Chacha Chaudhary, the magazines like Tinkle. There used to be in Odia a lot of rhymes on children. There used to be movies even in Bollywood which focused on children's themes. I still remember this Nani Teri Morini Ko Mor Le Gaye kind of songs. Those have slowly disappeared, and they're not really coming back either. So I think we need to focus on why children are feeling a lack of community nowadays, why they are unable to go out and make a big group of friends. We need to get back children's spaces. We need to make more interesting content for children, songs that they would relate to, literature that they would like to read, and regionally give them rootedness, sense of community, which is so important for kids to feel belonging to a certain space. So that is what I think. Do let me know what you feel about this in the comments. Thank you. Bye.